In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a freelance marketplace in Softr. We'll set up your app quickly using a ready-made template, then walk through the key places to tailor it to your needs so you can get a working marketplace up and running fast. Start by heading to the Softr dashboard and opening the Applications area. This is where all your projects live. From here, go into Apps. You'll see the option to start from scratch, which is great if you want full control over every block and page. For speed, though, we'll use a template. Choose Start with a template to browse ready-to-use setups that already include the core pages and data connections you'll need. Use the search bar if you'd like, but an easy way to find what we need is to view all templates and then open the Marketplaces category. Look for the Freelance Marketplace template and select it. This template includes pages for listings, profiles, and forms that match a typical freelance platform, saving you a lot of setup time. Click Use Template to add it to your workspace. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a data source. Pick the database you're comfortable managing, such as a spreadsheet or a connected base that will store freelancers, jobs, categories, and any supporting lists. The template will guide you with example fields, and you can keep sample data while you set up your structure. When you're ready, click Continue to let Softr create the app with those connections in place. Once the template loads, it's time to make your edits based on your needs. Start with branding. Update your logo, colors, and typography so everything aligns with your business. Then adjust the homepage copy and hero sections to clearly explain who your platform serves and how it works. Open the list blocks that display freelancers and gigs, connect them to your data tables, and map the fields for titles, rates, skills, and locations. You can fine-tune filters and search to help users quickly find the right talent or project. Edit profile and detail pages so they show the right information like portfolios, skills, and availability. Review any forms, for example, submissions for new jobs or freelancer applications, and connect each form field to the correct data column. Set who can view and submit forms, and add confirmation messages to keep users informed after they take action. Use the preview to check layouts, filters, and forms, then iterate on the content until the experience feels smooth. With those adjustments, your freelance marketplace and Softr will be ready for real data and real users.